Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Since yesterday's update, my idea that Bitcoin would remain above 108,300 has held true. This is notable because on the weekly heat map, liquidity continues to build in the lower areas around 108,500 and 107,600. At the moment, Bitcoin is trading close to 109,300. Looking at the 30-day heat map from CoinGlass, we can see a large concentration of positions sitting between 120,000 and 121,500. If price moves further upward into this area, it could set off significant reactions. On the other side, the largest cluster beneath us sits around 100,000 with about 670 million in positions. A decisive move down toward that level could trigger activity there. Open interest currently suggests that more traders are positioned for downside, but this can change quickly as new contracts come in and reshape these levels. Looking at the bigger players, wallets holding more than 10,000 Bitcoin have been steadily adding since the middle of September after spending much of this year reducing their holdings, with a peak in selling back in July. Meanwhile, wallets holding between 1,000 and 10,000 Bitcoin have been reducing since late July and are currently at a selling peak near the end of September. Interestingly, wallets in the range of 100 to 1,000 Bitcoin have been accumulating throughout the year, except during the March to April decline. Some analysts consider this group to possibly overlap with exchange-traded fund activity, as those funds have been purchasing thousands of Bitcoin per week. On the fund side, last Friday closed with a total of negative 418.3 million in outflows. Fidelity accounted for about negative 300.4 million, and iBid about negative 37.3 million. A question remains whether this was simply repositioning before the weekend, with the possibility of inflows returning early this week or by the 1st of October. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time charts. Click the like button if you got value from this video, and subscribe with the notification bell turned on to stay updated. And see you in the next one.